If you're heading to China and want to stay connected without any hassle, this video should help. Because honestly, using your regular SIM card abroad, your bill can skyrocket pretty quickly, and buying a SIM card on arrival isn't ideal either. Personally, I've been using eSIMs for a few years now, especially Saily, mainly because I wanted to avoid wasting time once I land. I set everything up before I leave, and as soon as I arrive, I've got internet, nothing else to do. In this video, I'll show you how it works, what I like about it, the limitations too, and most importantly, whether it's worth it for a trip to China. So, Saily is an eSIM service offered by Nord Security, the same company behind NordVPN, so you're dealing with something pretty solid in terms of security. The idea is simple: you install an eSIM directly on your phone, and you can get internet access in more than 200 countries, including China, without changing your physical SIM card. They've also added a few interesting features: ad blocking, web protection, and a kind of virtual location. Basically, it reduces trackers, blocks lots of unnecessary stuff, and can even help you save data. Getting started is super simple. You download the app, choose your destination, China in this case, pick a plan, and the app guides you step by step. Honestly, it's done in just a few minutes. What I always do is activate the eSIM before I leave. That way, as soon as I land, it connects automatically. No need to hunt for Wi-Fi or anything. And another important point, you only do this once. For your next trips, you just buy another plan since everything is already set up. Price-wise, it's pretty reasonable. For China, you can get plans for $4.50 for a week if you don't use much data. Otherwise, for $27, you get 10 GB, which is more than enough for a typical trip, using Google Maps, Instagram, and so on. If you want unlimited data, plans start at $23 for 5 days. They also offer regional plans, which is handy if you're traveling across multiple countries. Another thing I like, everything is prepaid, so no surprises, no hidden subscriptions. You pay, you use it, that's it. You can even buy your plan in advance and activate it later. I'll put the link in the description, along with the promo code VCLUB if you want to pay less. Now, in terms of user experience, I used it during my last trip, and overall it worked really well. Even in more remote areas, it performed great. Whether it's Google Maps, sending photos, or watching videos, it works perfectly fine. The biggest advantage is peace of mind. You get off the plane, turn on your phone, and you already have internet. Where Saily stands out is on the security side. There is a built-in ad blocker. It might sound like a gimmick, but it actually speeds up page loading and saves data. There is also web protection that blocks dangerous websites, honestly useful when you're on hotel or airport Wi-Fi. And a virtual location option, kinda like a mini VPN to access certain content. Everything runs in the background, so there is nothing to configure. These are features you don't usually get with most other providers, and that's also why I chose Saily. Another nice touch, you get an alert when you reach around 80% of your data. That helps avoid surprises. And support is available 24/7. I've tested it before, they respond quickly. Now, a few things to keep in mind. First, it's data only, so no traditional calls or SMS. But these days, most people use WhatsApp or Telegram anyway, so it's not really an issue. And of course, you need an eSIM compatible phone. Most recent smartphones support it. So, do I recommend Saily for China? Absolutely. If you want a simple, fast, no-hassle way to get internet in China, it does the job really well. You install it before leaving, you arrive, and it just works. That's it for this video. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to try Saily, use the promo code VCLUB to get a discount. If you have any questions, as always, drop them in the comments. Have a great trip and see you soon.